Hello, in this video I'm going to show you one of the best apps you can find online. Don't take my word for it, keep on watching.
Content Samurai Review, what you need to know. The consumption of video content is exploding at a rapid rate, and it is predicted that it will not change anytime into the future. Marketers that are successful should be taking advantage and should be incorporating videos into marketing strategies or take the risk of losing out. Yet video content in itself poses a number of problems. Many people are shy or afraid to show themselves on camera. Yet if it becomes easy to create video content in an easy manner in videos that range between 15 to 20 minutes, it offers you with an outstanding advantage of getting your messages in front of a massive audience. This results in exposure, leads along with sales, when it has been done right. But you may be wondering how to create videos that are simple and fast, especially if you do not have any tech experience. Camtasia may be ideal, yet it is very expensive. While Vegas Studio and Adobe Premiere are extremely powerful yet have a learning curve that is very high. There is also software available through the fly-by-night apps that offer very limited and sometimes no support, or they are never updated. There are also bugs that you have to worry about, and today no one has the patience or time for these issues. If you are in search of a premium video content creator which allows you the ability to simply and quickly create videos associated with any type of topic of your choosing, without the need for you to actually appear, then this Content Samurai review might just be exactly what you need. What is Content Samurai? In this Content Samurai review we will explain what this software is all about. Content Samurai is a type of online video software which assists you in creating easy, professional-looking and easy videos, and you don't need to have any previous technical expertise or experience. One of the main drawcards surrounding this software is that fact that you won't need to personally appear before a camera. Content Samurai has also undergone continuous updates since 2015, which means this company cares about and is dedicated to their customers. Today, there are numerous softwares available for creating videos, yet many stop their updates and, in some cases, stop working altogether. On the other hand, Content Samurai was created by a professional team, which created a keyword tool known as Market Samurai, which many online marketers are already aware of. How to use Content Samurai. Here is a basic outline about the workflow when using this effective software to create your own online video content. Once you have logged in, a video which will autoplay greets you. This may become a bit annoying after using the software for a while, but you do have the choice to pause it. You are then prompted to click on a green button that is clearly displayed. From here all you need to do is click on the Create a New Video icon. From here you get to choose a template that you like. Keep in mind that there are many on offer, so browse through and try a few out to find out which one matches up to what you are looking for. On the next screen, you paste in your script. It is advisable to leave gaps between each sentence, so the text is not overcrowded on every screen. You are able to edit your script at a later stage if you need to. Once you are happy with the way it looks, you are able to edit each slide and then choose from images to use with the script. All the images are royalty-free, so there is no worries about having to pay for them. As soon as you have completed choosing your images and editing the slides, it is time to move on to the following screen. It is here that you are able to choose from the audio options. This includes choosing from only music, or you have the choice to upload your pre-recorded voice track. A WAV or MP3 file is recommended. Some users suggest not using the record your own voice track option, as this system is not that great for this. Onto the next screen you are able to choose from the background music options that you prefer to use. It is suggested to set your volume at 20% and use your own personal voice track. Finally, if you have uploaded a voice track, you are able to sync your timing manually. This is only a suggestion, as once you start getting used to Content Samurai you are able to make selections on what is working well for you. Content Samurai review pricing. One of the drawbacks when considering Content Samurai would have to be the pricing. It is typically advertised at $97 a month, which may appear expensive for many. It really depends on how often you are planning to use the software, and if it is helping to expand your business. When you get your videos right, you should be making a lot more than just $97 every month. Yet when you are just starting out, the price may be too much for you. However, there are two options available to you, which include: 1. Take the 7-day free trial, to see how simple it is to use. Ensure that you actually make use of it over these 7 days. If you find that you do not like it, cancel your trial and you haven't lost anything. 2. Look for a discount. If you buy the software from the right source you are able to obtain monthly discounts. While these offers may come and go, there are places where you can get an attractive discount. Who is Content Samurai for? If you have an online business, then Content Samurai can assist you in many ways. In Content Samurai review sites, you will find that this software is promoted for internet marketers, marketers that are looking for ways to build lists, SEO folk, small business owners, YouTube marketers, Any person online that needs more exposure. Topics for Content Samurai videos. Regardless on the type of video creation software that you have decided to use, you will need ideas for the creation of your videos. It is suggested to carry around a notepad or even use an app like Evernote on your mobile phone. Each time you think about ideas that you can use to educate or teach audiences, make notes of it. From here, choose one idea from the list and add 5 to 7 bullet points under the idea. Now all you need to do is copy and paste the idea and the bullet points into Content Samurai, followed by a final proofread to check for grammar or any spelling mistakes. Add in a couple of extras if necessary, and there you have it. You have already created your very first video content. You can also change the images to match up to your video, or underline, italicize, or make some of the words bold. Content Samurai Review additional features. A few of the additional extras that might interest you include Square videos. Content Samurai is able to create these, which are ideal for social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. Content Samurai also supports any video uploads, and not just text overlay and pictures anymore, which is a massive add-on for many users. Believing in yourself. You have value, skills, along with a lot of useful things that you can share. Videos offer a fantastic way in which to achieve these goals. Make sure you keep things light-hearted and fun and avoid becoming too serious or rigid. Try to be yourself. You can also choose to use free online tools such as Audacity, which works on PC or Mac, where you can make recordings of yourself reading the notes aloud. Try keep your voice upbeat and don't change your accent. It is also okay if you make a few mistakes. In most cases, consumers relate far more to people that sound real compared to the perfect types of voiceovers. Practice this every day for at least a month. Content Samurai Review Summary. Nothing in this world is perfect, and Content Samurai is not any different in this regard. Yet it is still great and allows the users to easily and quickly create videos that they are able to use for marketing. Video marketing that is done the right way is extremely powerful and really negates price issues that may be of a concern to you. And for the type that already take marketing very seriously, this type of software is really cheap. If you are still not sure, make sure you try out the 7-day free trial and read up on the review sites on what this software has done for others. We are sure that this is the type of software that can easily help you to maximize your exposure and get your name and your brand out there.
Thanks for stopping by. I hope now you can see how our product will truly make your life easier.